Amen.
Let me overcome this one. Because you said in your word that I am more than, ano po? Ano po? You are more than, conqueror. Maraming Kristiyano, kapag dumadaan na sa matitinding pagsubok, asal talo na, asar talo pa. Amen po? You are not born to be a champion. You are born to be a conqueror. Amen po? Ang pagkakaiba po ng champion, kung mahilig po kayo mga manood ng basketball, ang champion po is dynastic. Panahon. Hindi po all the time. May nagka-champion na pong iba niyan. Tama po? Because that is a champion. They tend to win for certain period of time and they will lose. That dynasty. China is have a 13th dynasty. Isa-isahin po natin. Ha? Huwag na po. Na? Pero hindi po naglalas yung mga dynasty. Pero sabi dito, conqueror is different from dynasty because conqueror